The top 10 best smart glasses in 2026. Number 1. Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Gen 2. The Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Gen 2 is the definitive smart glasses of 2026. Selling over 2 million units by proving AI assistants can live on the face, in a form that looks exactly like classic Wayfarers with no visible tech or awkward modules, delivering Meta AI live translation, real-time visual context, hands-free photo and video capture, and voice-activated queries through open-ear audio speakers handling calls, music, and podcasts with surprising clarity. Tom's Guide ranked it the best AI wearable available to buy right now, with battery life covering a full day of active AI assistance, Bluetooth connectivity to iOS and Android, a 12-megapixel camera, and a design wearable in every social setting without second glances, completing the one recommendation that combines genuine daily utility with a form people will actually wear everywhere in 2026. Number 2. X Real 1 Pro. The X Real 1 Pro is the most advanced AR display glasses for power users in 2026. Using a self-developed spatial computing chip to anchor a 310-inch virtual widescreen in midair with 3DOF head tracking, keeping the screen locked in space as the wearer moves, delivering a 57-degree field of view, the widest of any consumer AR glasses. With a brilliant micro-OLED display, electrochromic dimmable lenses, and Bose-tuned spatial audio under 80 grams. Compatible via USB-C with laptops, phones, Nintendo Switch 2, Steam Deck, and ROG Ally, transforming any device into a massive floating personal monitor or multi-screen workstation. TechRadar praised it as changing the AR game, and Tom's Guide ranks it the best premium AR glasses to buy, completing the definitive choice for extended productivity sessions and immersive gaming in 2026. Number 3. Rayneo Air 4 Pro. The Rayneo Air 4 Pro launched at CES 2026 as the world's first consumer AR glasses with HDR10 certification, delivering 1,200 nits of peak brightness with a 200,000 to 1 contrast ratio, making dark scenes genuinely dark, and highlights truly pop in a way no competing AR glasses had achieved at any price. With Bang & Olufsen-tuned 4-speaker audio with 80% sound leakage reduction in whisper mode for personal immersive sound in planes, offices, and libraries without disturbing others. At just $299.76 grams, the Air 4 Pro undercuts the X Real 1 Pro by $300 while delivering HDR visuals. Reviewers found superior for cinema and gaming, named the standout value of CES 2026 by a wide margin, and the first AR glasses recommended to budget-conscious friends wanting to try the category in 2026. Number 4. Oakley Meta Vanguard. The Oakley Meta Vanguard is the definitive sports smart glasses of 2026. Pairing Meta AI and camera capability with Oakley's athletic lens engineering and a fully waterproof IP67 rated chassis, surviving sweat, rain, mud, and physical impact that would destroy any display-based AR glasses, with high-volume audio drivers cutting through wind at cycling speeds, a customizable tactile action button working with gloved hands, and 8 hours of battery life outlasting most training sessions. Meta AI enabling live translation, hands-free calls, and voice assistance without touching a phone. Garmin and Strava sync connecting workout data to existing training ecosystems, and a rugged build designed for genuine athletic enhancement rather than adding tech for its own sake complete the only serious competition. Ready AI Sports Wearable available in 2026. Number 5. Even Realities G2. The Even Realities G2 is the only smart glasses in 2026 with no camera and no external speakers. A deliberate privacy-first design generating zero surveillance anxiety while still delivering AI-assisted conversation prompts, real-time translation subtitles, teleprompter functionality, and transcription via a 3D floating waveguide display visible only to the user, with touch controls and an optional R1 Smart Ring, keeping interactions hands-free and silent for quiet offices and meeting rooms. Up to 2 days of battery life, the longest of any smart glasses at this price. IP65 protection for all-day outdoor wearability. and highlighted at CES 2026 as the most refined privacy-focused AR glasses available, complete the definitive recommendation for users needing heads-up information overlay without any ethical concerns tied to wearable cameras in 2026. Number 6. Rokid AI Glasses. The Rokid AI glasses weigh just 38.5 grams, lighter than most ordinary prescription glasses, concentrating all engineering into the most capable AI assistant in a wearable form with Snapdragon AR1, processing driving simultaneous GPT-5, and DeepSeek integration for real-time translation in 12 languages, object recognition, navigation, and meeting transcription, while a 12-megapixel camera records up to 10-minute video clips, more than 3 times the 3-minute industry standard. Support for prescription lenses up to -16.00 diopters, removing the compatibility barrier that blocks most prescription wearers from the category, 6 hours of active battery life powering a full professional workday of AI assistance through discrete open-ear speakers, and Bluetooth connectivity to iOS and Android without phone removal complete the most accessible and lightweight AI smart glasses available in 2026. Number 7. Viture Luma XR. The Viture Luma XR solves the biggest barrier to AR glasses adoption for prescription wearers. Built-in physical focus dials correcting up to -4.0 diopters of myopia directly in the frame without additional inserts, optician visits, or extra cost, making it usable straight out of the box for a significant portion of nearsighted users who previously found the category inaccessible. On a Sony Micro-OLED display at 1920 by 1200 resolution, with a 52-degree field of view and electrochromic dimming for private viewing on demand. Tech Cabal named it the definitive recommendation for nearsighted tech users in 2026, noting that prescription inserts on competing products add $100 to $200 and require advanced planning, with deep AI integration through a companion iOS and Android app, Bluetooth, USB-C compatibility, and a complete out-of-box experience removing every practical barrier for prescription wearers entering AR glasses in 2026. Number 8. Bose Frames Tempo. The Bose Frames Tempo is engineered exclusively for runners, cyclists, and outdoor athletes, using Bose's open audio technology to produce sound loud enough to hear clearly at 25 miles per hour cycling speed into headwind while remaining inaudible to the person beside you. An acoustic balance requiring decades of engineering experience that newer smart glasses market entrants cannot replicate. In a 49.89-gram sweat-resistant aerodynamic frame, surviving intense daily training without degrading in audio performance. Bluetooth 5.1 pairing with iOS and Android for music, podcasts, and hands-free calls throughout workouts without touching a phone, and a design with no camera, no display, and no AI complexity, completing the definitive choice for buyers who want the best possible wearable audio from the most trusted acoustic brand for sustained athletic wear in 2026. Number 9. Amazon Echo Frames. The Amazon Echo Frames are the seamless bridge between the Alexa smart home ecosystem and the wearable world, delivering hands-free shopping lists, reminders, smart home control, music playback, and voice queries through frames visually indistinguishable from ordinary glasses in any social or professional setting, integrating into the Alexa workflow the way AirPods integrate with Siri, ambient computing that follows users through every room and out into the street. The audio-only design eliminating camera privacy concerns entirely, requiring no tethered device or AR display setup, and reviewers consistently noting they are the product most likely to be worn without being noticed, as technology complete the most natural and effortless AI glasses for Alexa ecosystem users who want always available smart home control and voice assistance in a genuinely wearable form in 2026. Number 10. Rayneo X3 Pro. The Rayneo X3 Pro is the most technologically advanced standalone smart glasses in 2026. A complete wearable computer with a Snapdragon processor, full-color micro-LED waveguide display at 2,500 nits and 30-degree FOV, built-in cameras, and Gemini AI operating entirely without a tethered phone, laptop, or USB-C cable, projecting live translation subtitles directly into vision in noisy environments and overlaying navigation using SLAM 3D World Understanding. Tech Cabal ranks it the definitive choice for power users and professionals, with standalone architecture providing universal compatibility via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, free from the USB-C alt mode limitations, restricting competing display glasses, solving real professional problems of hands-free AI access during physical tasks that audio glasses and display-only AR cannot address in 2026. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos coming your way. Feel free to share this video with your friends. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.